Be a first-rate version of yourself, not a second-rate version of somebody else. You see, when it comes to making a lasting impression, many people think that it's all about being charming, witty, or talented. While these qualities are certainly helpful, the real secret to making a lasting impression is something much more than that, and I intend to share these later in this video, so please stay tuned. In this episode, I'll be sharing with you how to make a lasting impression on everyone you meet. So instead of becoming a wallflower, it's time for you to bloom into that lovely and self-assured rose that you are. People are going to be prepared to turn heads and make a lasting impact. Let's go. Hello and welcome back to our series on being a graceful woman. In this episode, I'll be exploring the power of presence and how to make a lasting impression in any situation, including the secrets about making a lasting impression that most people rarely speak about, especially with a graceful lifestyle. I made a video recently about charm in women and how to go about cultivating it. Well, charm and presence are closely linked, you see. Charm is the ability to influence without using logic. There's no thinking about it. On the other hand, presence is a quality of poise and effectiveness that enables a person to achieve a close relationship with his or her audience. So men can have presence and women can have presence too. When we compare these to beauty, beautiful women may or may not be charming. They're just beautiful. But a charming woman is by all means and by default beautiful. You see, beauty can be inherited. You can get it from your mother or your parents, but charm cannot. You never pass it down. Beauty is skin deep. Charm is much more than a superficial layer. Beauty fades with age, of course. Charm stays on. Beauty is the way you look and dress. Charm is the way you talk, the grace with which you walk, the way you respond to situations, the pitch of your voice, your choice of words, your tone, your smile, the way you laugh, and so on. Charm is an attitude one carries with oneself. Charming women tend to emit a natural aura that is almost a magnetic force field around them. Beauty can turn heads, charm will turn souls. So ladies and any listening gentlemen, what is presence? Presence is simply the ability to command attention and create a positive impression wherever you go. You see, it's a combination of your confidence, your body language, the way you speak that make others notice you. Why do we need confidence? Just like in my previous video about charm, I did say that it helps to improve first impressions. It boosts confidence. It attracts opportunities. It strengthens relationships. You see, presence can help you build stronger relationships with other people by making them feel appreciated and valued. Most of all, presence enables others to remember us, to leave a lasting impression on the hearts of those who come in contact with us. Now, let's dive into the secrets of presence. There are about 6 secrets I'm going to share with you that you can use to elevate your presence. 1, authenticity. Be genuine. People appreciate when you're genuine and true to yourself. If it's at work or in a social setting, you know nobody wants to be friends with a two-faced human being, right? So there is no need for you to be one. For example, if you're a funny person, use your humor to connect with others. If you're a creative person, then showcase your creativity in your work or in your style. Authenticity is the key to leaving a lasting impression. The second secret is confidence. Confidence is quite important. When you show confidence in yourself and in your abilities, people are much more likely to trust and respect you. But confidence doesn't mean being arrogant or overly aggressive or being cocky. It's about you being assertive and being self-assured in a way that is genuine and relatable. You see, confidence is key when it comes to presence. You can't discount it. You stand tall. You speak with conviction. You believe with yourself. You believe in yourself. You walk with your head held up high. And people are naturally drawn to those who exude confidence because there is no trade-off there. The third secret is body language. Your body language says a lot about you. The way you stand, the way you sit, you make eye contact, stand up straight, and use movements to support your speech. Otherwise, you will sound robotic. You project a message of confidence and authority by maintaining appropriate posture and body language. The fourth secret is communication skills. When it comes to making a lasting impression, how you speak, your communication skills are key. Speak clearly, eliminate filler words. A lot of ladies tend to speak by filling in their sentences with ah. The popular one is like people overuse that word too much. You'll be able to hold your own in any conversation and create a lasting impression if you have good communication skills. The fifth secret is to leave a lasting impression is by being positive. You see, nobody wants to be around a negative person. Nobody wants to be around a party pooper or a Debbie Downer, as they say. When you're positive, you're much more approachable. You're much more inspiring. So instead of complaining or focusing on the negative, try to find the good in every situation and be uplifting. Try reframing. It doesn't mean you have to be positively toxic. No, simply reframe whatever issue you're facing, whatever challenge it may be. The sixth secret, and I may not be a champion of this one, but it's be passionate. You see, passion is contagious and it can inspire others. When you're passionate about something, whether it's a hobby or a cause, it shows in everything that you do. Share your passion with people. Let it inspire them. It's not about gatekeeping. Continuously learning and growing as a person is also very important. When you're constantly learning and trying new things, you become much more interesting and engaging. For example, if you're passionate about cooking, take a class or start a food blog to share your recipes and experiences. Sisi Yemi does the same thing. The Joyful Cook, Sisi Jemima. And there are lots of cooks on YouTube. They're not necessarily professional cooks, but they are passionate about it and they're sharing their recipes with people all over the world. If you're passionate about makeup, watch more, practice more, take classes, create your own signature styles of makeup on yourself or even on people. It depends on how passionate you are and how far you want to take your skills. I'm passionate about all things women. It's skincare, it's hair care, it's the way I carry myself. I love being a woman. I love seeing women win and grow, especially in the workplace and at home. So I take every opportunity to be connected to women of various age groups. It is very important to share your knowledge and expertise with people. Otherwise, that knowledge will die with you. When you share what you know, people see you as a valuable resource and someone who is generous and helpful. You know, it could be as simple as mentoring somebody or teaching a class in your area of expertise. It doesn't even have to be a physical class. If you're confident, get onto Skillshare. Don't worry, I'm not trying to sell you a discount code. There is no link in the description box below other than probably other videos that I've made. I'm just saying it as a learning community. YouTube is another one. In fact, social media platforms are learning communities when they are curated well. Take a look at TikTok. There's nothing you can't learn on TikTok or on Instagram. It depends on who you are following. The seventh tip to leaving a lasting impression is being respectful. You know, it's to leave a lasting impression on people that you meet. When you show respect to others, regardless of their background or their position, you tend to earn their trust. In my language, we say, "Obìnrin tó bá lọ́yàyà." When you're much more embracing, you're open, you tend to earn the admiration of other people because it will get you noticed. You will be remembered for as long as they exist. Now, I'm going to share another 4 tips that most people don't know about the power of presence and grace in making a lasting impression. These 4 tips are definitely going to show you the power of grace and presence. Now, the first tip is that presence means being fully engaged in the moment. Your thoughts cannot be somewhere else and you're standing in that present moment. No, you're not thinking about what you're going to say next or worrying about what happened earlier in the day. You have to be fully engaged in the conversation that you are in that moment in time or the activity at hand. And that makes a huge impression on the people around you. They will feel seen and heard and valued when you're fully present with them. So you can't have somebody talking to you and your thoughts are drifting away. Always bring it back to the present. The second tip for you about power of presence and grace in making a lasting impression is that grace means being kind, empathetic, and understanding. Grace is all about how you treat other people, even when somebody else is being difficult or challenging. When you show grace, you make people feel valued and appreciated, and that's a powerful way to make a lasting impression. You can't buy it with money. The third tip is body language. It is key to conveying presence and grace. In fact, it says a lot about you, about your presence, about your grace. When you're fully present, you're likely to make eye contact. You'll be nodding along and you'll be leaning in to show that you're fully engaged in that present moment. So all these is counting towards your body language. When you're showing grace, your body language might include a smile, the softening of your facial expression, or even a touch, a gentle touch on the arm. It sends a lot of messages out to your audience. The fourth tip is practice makes perfect. No, you're not going to get it in one day. Even I'm speaking to you, I'm still a work in progress. There is no expert on YouTube. A lot of these YouTubers are simply sharing with you what they have learned or what they are learning. By being present and showing grace isn't always easy, especially in high stressful situations. No. However, the more you practice these skills, the easier they become. You try to be present in your daily interactions and make a conscious effort to show grace to those around you. Over time, it will become a second nature to you, and you'll be very able to make a lasting impression wherever you go. You see, the power of presence and grace in making a lasting impression cannot be overstated. By being fully engaged in the moment, showing kindness and empathy, and using your body language to convey these qualities, you can make a lasting impression that people will remember you for years to come. And with practice, you can make these skills a natural part of your everyday interactions, making you a more effective communicator and a more memorable person overall. And that's a wrap for it on this episode, folks. I hope you found it helpful and entertaining. Please, if you have any questions and comments, feel free to leave them in the description box below. See you in the next episode.